Welcome all, this is Saud. This is a handheld oscilloscope, currently having two main problems. The first problem, the LCD display with increased dark area, black spot, so the display is not very clear. This type of issues normally can happen and affect the LCD display of many devices like multimeters or calculators or any device using character LCD display type when the polarizing film of the display deteriorated and display appeared dim after few years. The second problem here, the oscilloscope trace line not stable anymore and cannot be centered at the display and just jumping up and down when adjusting the level. And if we apply a testing signal, the trace stuck at the bottom of display. Which is abnormal. So let's try to fix both problems. We open the oscilloscope to see the internal components. Let's get access to the LCD display. We start by removing the current polarizing film in order to replace it. We can get replacement film from any unused old cell phone display screen. This one first is just the protection screen. And now we remove the polarizing film. This is the magic of polarizing film. The LCD display appears blank, and when we put it on top, the display appears very clear. Let's look here how this works with very simple sketch. We have a liquid crystal layer placed between one vertical polarizing layer and other horizontal polarizing layer. When there is a voltage applied to the liquid crystal electrodes, liquid crystal molecules will be aligned in parallel, and the vertical polarized light will just pass through the liquid crystal without any change, and then will be blocked by the horizontal polarizing layer, and that point will appear dark. But if voltage is switched off, the liquid crystal molecules will get arranged in a way that will twist the light 90 degrees. So the light will be able to pass through the horizontal polarizing layer, and that point will appear bright. We check the best angle to get optimum display. So this is the best here, and we mark on the sheet to cut the selected portion. So this providing better display now. fixing back mounting clips. The problem of trace not able to be adjusted and centered is fixed by spraying and cleaning the zero level adjust potentiometer. So sometimes solution is very easy and simple. And as we can see, the trace is very stable and can be adjusted correctly. Problem solved, and everything is okay now. Thanks.